Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to turn off shift lock on touch keyboard in Windows 11. So how can fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, select the H key current user and expand it. After doing this that, select a software and expand it. After doing this that, select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this case, scroll down and find out tablet tip and expand it. Select a 1.7 and in that right click on new and select a default 32-bit value and set a name is unable shift lock. E is a capital, shift S is a capital, and lock L is a capital. So set a name is unable shift lock and double click and open it and set a value data 0 to 1. Select a 1, click on OK button and close the registry editor. After that, restart your computer and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.